Okay, we found a place in Florence. After a mountain of stairs, we got to our place, and what a lovely surprise. This is where we're staying in Florence. This is the terrace. I mean, we've got our own terrace here, and got this beautiful view over the city from here, the city rooftops. I'm going to switch my camera around. I'm just going to show you the place we've got, because this is really impressive, and it was for a bargain we got this place. Okay, so to start, this is our rooftop terrace, having these beautiful views, 360 almost. Well, and then on the inside we've got a living room, slight flight of stairs. This is the front door we came in. This is the kitchen and the dining area, and also everywhere there's these windows looking out on the city. And then above the bedroom, it's a 1-bedroom place, so some views. And then we've got a toilet, and then the walk-in shower here. This is a really beautiful and lovely place. Okay, today we're hitting the streets of Florence. We don't really know where we're going. We decided we're just going to walk. We're walking in the general direction of where the David statue is. The Michelangelo David statue. It's Michelangelo now. Okay, I hope it's Michelangelo.
Art is like...
Yes, Michelangelo. Anyway, so we're just walking in the general direction. This is a square where there's quite a lot of people. Yesterday there was, now it's early in the morning, so there's less. But yeah, we're just finding our way, and I will just be taking videos as I go to show you. Okay, so it just started to rain here in Florence, and we've got our umbrellas. Jacobus's umbrella is broken. It's from our previous trip, but we never replaced it.
But who broke it?
I think it was the wind. No. Definitely wasn't me. So it's raining now in Florence, but we decided we're gonna take a stroll in the streets. We'll take our umbrellas and we're just gonna walk a little bit, have something to drink, and get a dinner later on. And then we'll be back in our flat for tonight and just relax. Tomorrow we catch the train again. Yeah, it is. I mean, when it's raining, it's a bit more difficult to walk in the streets. But at the same time, there's something about the rain in Europe, you know, in these big cities that, I don't know, it just creates the atmosphere, which is lovely. As you can see there in the background, just beautiful. Okay, so we at the end of our stay here in Venice. Okay, so we at the end of the stay in Florence, and I thought it was a lovely, lovely city. It is not very big, and the part that you would go as a tourist, the old part, is beautiful. The architecture is just beautiful. And I like the style, which is known as the Tuscan style of building. The Duomo, the main cathedral church, is quite spectacular. That old bridge that goes over the water, I can't remember what it's called.
Ponte Vecchio.
Ponte Vecchio, it's nice. And then we saw all the
typical things.
Yeah, and we saw the statues and stuff. We saw the replica of the David, of Michelangelo, and lots of these other statues as well. The thing is, if you want to go into the main attractions like the church or the Galleria or the Academia University's museum, where the David stands, the lines are just so long that we decided we're not going to stand in lines this time.
It's expensive. Yeah, because then you need to do a skip the line, and then it becomes expensive.
Yeah, and you know what, we've done many times where we went and saw the stuff, and it's nice to see it, but what we've experienced was really wonderful. And I think if you go to a city, or I think our new philosophy is just experience the city more than trying to see everything. And that's what we did here as well. We mostly just walked the streets, tried to see the main like architecture and statues, but just generally walking the streets, getting the feel of the city. Yeah, the only thing I would add is that I think 2 days, if you're just going to walk the city, 2 days is more than enough for Florence. If we ever come back here, I'm pretty sure we will do some kind of extended thing, like doing a wine tour, stay out in the wine country for a few days, and then just explore the small towns and do wine tours and cooking classes and stuff like that. That's what I think will probably be an extended holiday here. You know what you think?
Yeah, definitely. I think because the other cities is quite close, so then day travels and just getting out and about. But it's a lovely city. It's a top 10 for me. I won't say it's definitely
not favorite, but it's a nice city. Yeah.
Anyway, cool.
So we're off to Rome now for our next adventure. But please like this video, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe.